Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best Steam Deck screen protectors available, the ivoler 2-pack matte screen protector. If you've been looking for a reliable, durable, and easy-to-install protector to keep your Steam Deck display safe, this is one you should definitely consider. Let's take a closer look at what makes this product stand out. First up, the matte anti-glare finish. One of the biggest advantages of this protector is that it effectively reduces glare from bright lights or outdoor environments, making your gaming experience more comfortable no matter where you are. If you've ever found yourself squinting at your Steam Deck screen because of reflections, this matte finish will be a game changer. The tempered glass material is incredibly durable. This screen protector comes with a 9H hardness rating, which means it's highly resistant to scratches, ensuring that your Steam Deck screen stays pristine even with daily use. Whether you're using your device for gaming, streaming, or browsing, this protector will help safeguard it from unexpected drops or minor accidents. Installation is a breeze thanks to the included alignment frame, which ensures that the protector fits perfectly every time. No need to stress over misalignment or bubbles. The kit includes everything you need, such as wet and dry wipes, a squeeze card, and a detailed installation guide. It's clear that ivoler has designed this product with ease of use in mind. Another noteworthy feature is its touch sensitivity. Despite being a durable layer of protection, this matte screen protector doesn't interfere with the performance of your touchscreen. You'll enjoy the same responsive gaming experience without any lag or delay in your commands. Additionally, the anti-fingerprint coating helps keep your screen free of smudges, so you don't have to constantly wipe it down. This is especially handy for those who love playing on the go and don't want to deal with fingerprints all over their screen. Overall, the ivoler 2-pack matte screen protector offers fantastic value. It provides excellent protection for your Steam Deck while improving your overall gaming experience with its anti-glare properties. If you're looking for a way to preserve the quality of your Steam Deck screen, this protector is a must-have accessory. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and tech recommendations.